You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in Spanish, meaning so, as in so much or so good. We're going to have a few examples here. It's pronounced as tan, tan, or it's sometimes used to say as something as. For example, tan bueno. Tan bueno is going to mean so good. Tan bueno. Now if you say tan bueno que, it means is as good as. Okay? My Spanish o mi castellano es tan bueno como mi italiano, for example. So tan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.